Unit 2. Making music. Listening 2. Read and listen.
Mozart. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart is probably the most famous composer in the world. He was born in Austria in 1756. He was very clever and he loved music from a very early age. His father, Leopold, was a musician. Leopold was Mozart's music teacher. Mozart learnt to play the piano when he was only 4 years old. He wrote his first music when he was 5. He played the violin too. As a young boy, Mozart travelled around Europe with his father and his sisters. He played music for some very important people. He played in front of royal families in different European countries. When Mozart was 8, he started to write music for the flute and the piano. After that, he wrote music for a whole orchestra. He was a great composer, musician and conductor. He wrote lots of music and operas, and he became very famous. One of his most famous operas is The Magic Flute. When Mozart grew up, a lot of people loved his music, but he didn't make a lot of money. He was often ill, and it was difficult for him to work. He was married and he had 2 sons. The youngest son, Franz Xaver Wolfgang, was a musician like his father. Mozart died in Vienna when he was only 35, but people all over the world still love his wonderful music.